Hello friends, today we are going to learn chapter 7 Plants. Herbs. Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. They are usually short and may not have many branches. They are also used for food, flavoring, medicine, or perfume. Shoots. Some plants have the stem branching out near the base. The stem is hard but not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs. An area of cultivated shrubs in a park or a garden is known as a shrubbery. Trees. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick brown stem. The stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called trees. They tend to be long lived, some reaching several thousand years old. Climbers and creepers. Plants that take support on neighboring structures and climb up are called climbers. Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. Stems. The stem helps the water and minerals to go to leaves and other parts attached to the stem through narrow tubes inside them. Leaves. A leaf is an organ of a plant. The part of a leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. The lines on the leaf are called veins, and the thick vein in the middle is called the midrib. The design made by veins in a leaf is called the leaf venation. Leaf venation, parallel venation. In the leaves of grass, the veins are parallel to one another. This is parallel venation. Reticulate venation. If the design is net-like on both sides of midrib, the venation is reticulate venation. Transpiration water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor by a process called transpiration. Plants release a lot of water into the air through this process. Photosynthesis. Leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green colored substance present in them. For this, they use water and carbon dioxide from air. This process is called photosynthesis. Oxygen is given out in the process. The food prepared by leaves ultimately gets stored in different parts of plants as starch. Roots. The roots help in holding the plant firmly in the soil. They are said to anchor the plant to the soil. Types of roots. Taproot in a plant with a taproot system. The taproot is the largest, most central, and most dominant root from which other roots sprout laterally. Fibrous root. A fibrous root system is usually formed by thin, moderately branching roots grow from the stem. Flowers. A flower is the reproductive structure found in plants. The prominent parts of the open flower are the petals. The small leaf-like structures are called the sepals. Parts of a flower. Stamen. The stamen is the pollen producing reproductive organ of a flower. Pistil. The ovule producing part of a flower is known as the pistil. Parts of stamen. Anther. The part of the stamen where pollen is produced. Filament. The filament is a stalk that connects to the anther. Parts of pistil. Style. It is a long cylinder stalk that connects the stigma and the ovary. Stigma. It is a sticky platform at the top of the style where pollen is deposited. Ovary. The enlarged basal portion of the pistil where ovules are produced.